Well, what's going on, guys? Joel back with you for another video here in the Snap-on Tool Review. Today I'm just going to take you on a little bit of a journey of what's going on in the shop. Let's do it.
And the price like a crown, negativity, calculate what we will not tolerate, desperate to control.
All right, welcome back. As I said, it's middle of the month, and this is the first time I've ever made a video like this. So if you guys like this kind of video, remember to leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I'm going to take you on a little journey of what's going on in the shop for me right now. A couple of things that I got on the go, and what else is coming in still. I still got lots of work, so let's get to it. First thing, this is a funny one actually. This came in as an exhaust leak. Well, it came in as like a misfire problem, but upon further inspection, if you guys can see it, the manifold's got a huge crack right there. So I took off the exhaust cover. You have to take the cat out and everything in order to be able to get to it, but it started off and just, you know, you could hear the exhaust leak, but take off the cover there, it's a huge crack. This is a 17 Tucson. Kind of strange. So that one's going to be on my hoist for a couple of days. Yeah, new vehicles, man, they don't last like they used to. So job number 2. Here we got, this thing was hit in the rear quarter right here. It came in from the body shop. As it was hit, it stopped running. And then it took me a little bit, well, about an hour, but figured out that this, the fuel pump let go. It's literally just like this part here, usually comes up here. There's a spring in it, and that's so that it can be pushed down. And then that little cap right there goes right there, and that's your fuel feed line to the rail or to your GDI pump. But for some reason this thing just came off, so I don't know if that's some kind of new style inertia switch or something. Never seen it before. Well, I never seen this happen before. Kind of strange that it stopped. It stopped running right after its accident and dislodged that thing, and hit it hard enough for this thing to break the pump. Kind of strange. So waiting on that. That should be in tomorrow probably, so put that back in, and that's that one. What I have on the go right now, this is another 17 Tucson. This is with a dual clutch transmission. It's got this really crazy noise. I'm going to start it up and I'll show you. It's coming from what I think is the dual clutch assembly. That is the dual mass flywheel that they got going on inside these stupid transmissions. But check this noise out. So you guys can hear that. Here, I will put my microphone close to the transmission. Pretty fucking nasty. Pretty nasty, I tell you. So that's another one that I got going on. So job 1, 2, 3 right at this moment, and there are more. Let's keep going. This one got towed in. The drive belt was sitting on top of the engine cover. The boss thought it needed an engine. It wouldn't start. I got it and it started right away, but the compressor is just seized solid. Completely solid, so much that it actually snapped the drive belt. So there's another one. That is an engine that I've been waiting for 2 months. They're on back order, and let's see here. I got another one here. Oh, this one right here. Oh, this one's fun too. This one is another one. The drive belt again ended up getting chewed up. It's a brand new vehicle. It has 400 kilometers on it. Long story short, it was a donor vehicle at one point. We took an alternator out of it, and the apprentice decided to leave the alternator bolt, that alternator bolt right there, out. And they sold it, and it ended up chewing the belt up, overheated, and well, we either need an engine or we need a head gasket. So that one here, I actually gotta take the head off at first and inspect it. This is because it's 400 kilometers old and they want to know everything about it. So yeah, this one's not a fun one. The apprentice doesn't even know what's happened yet. But yeah, there's pieces of the belt right there wrapped around the tensioner. So this one's a big job here. So again, we own this vehicle now. We have given the customer a brand new vehicle, and this one's not a good one. So, but of course, it comes to me, and I got to deal with this crap. So we still have more on the go. I got quite a few jobs still going, but it's not looking too fun right now. I am overloaded. I actually had to get spots opened up so I can put more vehicles on hold because I have so many. It's just insane. So, but on top of that, we got safeties galore. A lot of used vehicles that still haven't come into the shop. Oh man. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. It's pretty much what's going on in the shop. Jesse's got an engine. Jordan's got another engine. He's got a short block to do. So it just keeps going, man. Just keeps going, guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.
Oh, hey, you're still here. Cool. Well, considering you're still here, this link up here will get you subscribed if you're not already. Remember to hit that bell notification so you guys get notified when I upload a new video. This one down here, that is the merch link, so you guys can get sweet ass shirts like this. And that one right there, that is the most recommended video for your viewing pleasure. Sit back, relax, enjoy the next couple of seconds. Thank you.